Hey there, Wix users! Welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we've got a quick and easy task on the agenda, and I'm gonna show you how to hide a page on your Wix website. This can be handy if you want to keep a page private or work in it without making it visible to your visitors, okay? But before we dive into today's video, if you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you won't miss out on our latest content. We love the amazing community we've built here, and your comments and feedbacks are always appreciated. So keep those comments coming, and let's keep this conversation going. All right, so enough of the intro. Before you can hide a page, you might wanna go to the web browser of your choice. Okay, I'm using Google Chrome right now, but Wix.com is compatible to all known type browsers, be it Brave, Safari, Microsoft Edge, and Firefox. And once you've chosen your web browser, you might want to go and create your account, sign up. It's super fast and easy. Then, once you've successfully created your account, log in using your credentials. Go here to your dashboard and click go to my sites, right? Once you are on the site, you might want to go here and select edit site right here, okay? Once you are on the edit site, it'll load it a little bit because we believe hiding a page on your Wix website can be a strategic choice based on a lot of reasons. Number one, for example, if you're actively working on a new page or updating an existing one, you might want to hide it until it's ready for a public viewing. This ensures that visitors see only the finished and polished content, or if you might have specific content or pages intended for a select group of people, such as clients, collaborators, or members. So hiding these pages keeps them from being accessed by the general public. Now, when you are here, you wanna click this button when it says site menu, right? So this icon here, like a book icon, click on site menu, and then when you hover on the home page, see that the icon is already hide. But if you want to unhide it, all you gotta do is just click unhide, right? Right here. Right, see right here. You can just click hide menu. Here you go. See the bottom, the home page has been hidden. See that? Okay, one more time. What about the subscribe button here? See that? So let's say if a particular page experiences technical issues or you need to take it down temporarily or for maintenance, hiding it allows you to make the necessary updates without confusing or frustrating your visitors, right? So marketers often hide alternative versions of a page during testing. This enables them to compare the performance of different designs or content and make data-driven decisions. Also, when working on content collaboratively or seeking feedback, you can hide pages to share a preview link with select individuals without making it public. Let's say, for example, for sites with premium content or subscription, hiding certain pages can ensure that only paying subscribers can access them. And removing irrelevant or outdated pages from the navigation menu can help users to focus on the most important content, improving the overall users and experience. And some pages may contain sensitive or confidential data which should not be accessible to the public, and ensuring that visitors see only polished, relevant, and up-to-date content maintains the overall quality and consistency of your website. If you are experimenting with new page designs, features, or layouts, hiding the test pages until they're ready for prime time can prevent confusion among your audience. And again, if you're still working on the SEO and content optimization of a page, hiding it can prevent search engines from indexing it prematurely. So, in summary, hiding a page on your Wix website offers a flexibility and control over your site's content, allowing you to present a polished and organized web presence while keeping work in progress or private content concealed from public view. It also helps you to optimize the user experience and maintain a consistent online presence. And I believe that's a wrap for today's video. We hope you find it informative and enjoyable. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and let us know if you like it. If you haven't already, be sure that you hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future content. We've got a lot of more of goodness headed your way, and if you're still hungry for more knowledge or just want to dive deeper into the world of Wix, check out some of our videos right here. And we love hearing you in the comments. Thank you all for watching, and just drop us suggestions or comment below. We read and respond to as many as we can. And I'll see you in the next one.